Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to Empower to Earn, where we turn simple skills into daily income. Today, I'll be showing you how to bleach red palm oil using two different methods, the chemicals method and the fire method, especially for making your soda soap cleaner stronger and more profitable. Let's get right into it. Why do we have to bleach our red palm oil before using it to make soda soap? Palm oil in its raw form is thick, red, and can stain your soap. But when you bleach it properly, it becomes lighter in color, smell better, and help your soap foam beautifully. Bleach oil also gives your soap a professional look that sells well in the markets. And the first method is to bleach chemically. We'll be bleaching 3 liters of red palm oil. Red palm oil is a nutrient-rich edible oil extracted from the fruits of the oil palm tree. And also, I'll be needing my measuring cup, spoon, or whatever you can use to measure your chemical. The cup with me is a cup of 30 ml. Remember, I'll be making use of 3 liters of red palm oil. So, the first chemical that goes into the red palm oil is my sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid, I'll be using exactly 30 ml. 30 ml of sulfonic acid goes into 3 liters of red palm oil. As I measure my 30 ml of sulfonic acid, I added it into my red palm oil. And as I added it, I start stirring it. Immediately, I start stirring it. What you need in bleaching your palm oil is 1% of your total oil. Let's assume you want to bleach 1000 ml. And you need 1% of 1000 ml. 1% of 1000 ml, which is 1 liter, will be 10 ml. Now, I bleached 3 liters of red palm oil, which give me 30 ml of sulfonic acid. If you are to bleach 1 liter of red palm oil, what you are going to use is just 10 ml of sulfonic acid. Have it in mind that you use 1% of every of your total oil. So now take a look at this red palm oil. You will see that it's not as reddish as when we pour it into the mixing bowl. You can see the changes that the color have started fading away. This is how it looks when you first added your sulfonic acid. And after you add it and stir it, make sure you stir it up to like 5 minutes before adding the next chemical. And the next chemical I'm adding is my hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, I will add 30 ml also. 30 ml of hydrogen peroxide goes into the red oil. Remember, we have added 30 ml of sulfonic acid. Now we added 30 ml of hydrogen peroxide. And immediately I added my hydrogen peroxide, I continue mixing it. Take a look at this red palm oil. You will see that the color is changing drastically now. Then you continue stirring it. Continue stirring it. Make sure the both chemical mix together very well with the red oil. In order not to halfway bleached, for the red oil to bleach properly. So stir it together very well. In this process of stirring, you can stir it more than 5 minutes. So as you are stirring it, the color is changing. As you are stirring it, it's changing the color gradually. It's making it lighter and lighter, because the reaction of the chemical of the hydrogen peroxide will bleach the color completely. But you have to give it a little time and a good stirring in order to get the best out of the bleaching chemicals. Try and watch this video to the end in order to know do and don'ts of bleaching palm oil. So we need to leave the oil to rest for some time before you come back to it and stir it again. This is exactly after 2 hours. And this is how our bleach palm oil look like. It has really changed. Take a look at the color now. The color is now golden yellow, not even red at all. Then we continue stirring it. You stir it together very well again. As you stir it together, the reaction of the chemical will continue the bleaching process. So you stir it and stir it together again before you now set it aside. Now you can set it aside for like 24 hours or even more than 24 hours before you make use of the oil to make your soda soap or any bar soap. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And this is our bleach palm oil 24 hours after. As you can see, the oil is perfectly bleached. The chemicals have reacted and bleached the oil. And in fact, you can start using it now, because if you use it before 24 hours, the chemical might react negatively on your soap. But if you allow it to stay 24 hours or even more than 24 hours, it will be safe to use for bar soap without the reaction of the chemicals. So now you can choose to use it like this or put it on a fire to melt it, just to make it warm before using it for your bar soap. Now let's see the one that we have already melted on the fire. After putting it on the fire to melt, this is how it look like. Can't you see? It is so beautiful. Look at it. You can go ahead and start making your bar soap or soda soap with this beautifully bleached palm oil. Let's move to method 2 of bleaching our red palm oil. In this second method of bleached palm oil, this one we call it bleach palm oil with fire. The first thing you need is your big pot, your big cooking pot. You can use any big pot of your choice. Then the second one is your heat source. Heat source, you can use any heat source. You can use your stove, you can use your firewood, you can use your charcoal, you can use your gas. Any source that can generate heat for you. And the first thing is to place your pots on top of your heat source, then added your oil into it. If you want to know the reason why we make use of big pots, kindly come into the advanced class. After adding your oil into your pots, then set your fire under it, and not too much fire. Make sure you control the fire to some extent in order not to fry away all the nutrients in the oil. Then you give it some minutes, like maybe 10 to 15, at most 20 minutes. Then I come back to check my oil. Then checking your oil, you need a white paper, just like the one you are seeing me with. I dip my white paper into my oil to check the oil. and you can see that the oil have already bleached. Then later on, I drop it from the fire, and guess I still check the oil with my paper in order to see that if the red color have completely bleached away from the red oil. So now you can see that it has bleached completely. There's no traces of red oil on the paper. Then you allow it to cool down completely for 24 hours. 24 hours later, this is what our oil look like. It's so beautiful with golden color. Now you can turn your oil into a safe bowl or any container of your choice. The oil is ready for use. You can start making use of it either for your bar soap or for your soda soap. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share it to other people that need this video. Now let me ask you, out of these two methods, which one is the best? Or let me ask, which one do you prefer? To me, both methods are great. The chemical method is easier for large production, and when you don't want to use fire, the fire method is more natural and does not involve any chemicals, but it requires attention to avoid burning. Let me see your opinion in the comments section. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. Kindly like, comment and share this video. Also, our advanced class is on. You can subscribe to our advanced class to learn more and to know more secrets about making your soda soap to stand out. Thanks for watching to this tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.